In Virtual Classroom, you can add fill-in-the-blank, drag-and-drop questions to quizzes. This question type allows you to create a bank of possible responses from which students can drag choices to blanks you have entered in the question or sentence. When you're on the Virtual Classroom dashboard, select the quiz that you want to add a fill-in-the-blank drag-and-drop question to and click Content. Locate and click the name of the quiz, or you can add a new quiz. Click the Questions tab. In the Add to Quiz section, click Question. When the gray bar displays, in the Select Type drop-down list, select Fill in the Blank Drag and Drop. The fields necessary for this question type display in a new section. In the question text field, use the Add Response button to add blanks within the content you add. You must add at least 2 of these blanks. As you add them, the answer key field at the bottom of the section populates with empty rectangles. As with any other question type, enter the number of points the question is worth and add any resources. In the Options area, select the Reuse Responses checkbox if you want a student to be able to use the same choice from the bank more than once. Select the Scramble Responses checkbox to scramble the choices in the bank so that they display in a different order to each student. In the Responses area, enter the possible responses to the blanks in the choice fields. Click Add to add more choices. You can enter more choices than available blanks. As you enter the choices, the gray section of the answer key area populates with the choices. In this area, to designate the correct answers, drag the choices in the bank to the appropriate blanks in the white section. The question now displays on the Questions tab. If you want to see the correct answers in the Responses area, select the Show Answer Key checkbox in the Add to Quiz section.